Spika wa Seneta Spika Kingi ni oritie kũgĩa na mĩario gatagatĩ ka Mangabana na Senate itemi-inĩ iria kũnina njatũkano na woirano ũrĩa ũkoretwo ũkĩoneka gatagatĩ ka wabici ici cierĩ kaunti-inĩ ĩmwe. Mĩario ya Kingi ĩhanĩkĩte rĩrĩ Gavana wa Narok Patrick Ole Ntutu ekinyĩtie mbere ya kamĩtĩ ya Senate na gũthũrima mahũthĩro ma kaunti. Rĩrĩ magavana merĩga kũheana mũkana nĩ meyeheria gũthiĩ cikaro-inĩ cia icio makiuga ihanĩte tarĩ kanya Maseneta menako ga kũmokĩrĩra.
Interest and penalties that you inherited from the defunct local authorities, as well as the interest that you inherited from the previous administration. Because I think this 1.9 billion, and maybe you can tell us what percentage of it is actual contribution vis-a-vis the interest and the penalties.
Governor?
Thank you, Chair. I want to confirm to you that the total amount you see, 1.9, almost about 400 million is on interest that has been accruing for since the time of the defunct county councils, and partly, the last 10 years. But as Senator for Narok has just asked whether we are engaging, indeed we are. We are having talks with the three funds so that they can waive away the interest. That will mean that if they can remove about 400 million Kenyan shilling here, you can see that it will be owing about 600. And that is a figure that we can settle within the next 2 financial years.
No.
And on the issue of remittance, we are indeed on time. We remit all our dues when we are paying the salary. Every 26th month of the month, when salaries are paid, we remit the fund.